how many minutes. So it must not take for several minutes. Stripping or milking of chest tube is not recommended because excessively high intrathoracic pressures may be generated, thus damaging the pleural membranes that impede the left ventricular ejection and impair the right ventricular expansion. So this is true. This is true if you milk and strip the tube for several minutes, as I've said a while ago. So immediate dalian na nimo kan strip and milking. So physician's order is necessary with this one. So the doctor will be the one to order if there is milking or stripping of the tube. Then if the tube is becomes dislodged, also here this is common, if especially in patients who are irritable. So if the tube is dislodged from the incision site, so place a sterile gauze on the site and ensure that there is no